Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how we can hide or remove the Amazon order history on our device. So Amazon does not let us delete the orders completely, but we can archive them to keep them very private. So let's do it step by step. You can start by opening up Amazon.com or accessing the application itself. So let's head over to Amazon.com for this. And if you're not logged in with your account, you may just go over and log in with your account. And within your account, you will be finding this dashboard with all of the available items on sale and everything. So in the top, you can look out for your profile here. And within your profile, what you need to do is select the option for your orders, this one right here. And once you go to your orders, this is the section where you will be finding all of your orders that you placed. So you can look out for your orders in this section right here. And we will be seeing all of our past orders. Now within here, we just need to find the order that we want to hide and look out for the order details. And once you find the order details, you can just go over and look out for the archive order option within the order and select the option right there. And you can confirm it by clicking the option of archive order. And once you do so within your orders page, you can go to your orders page once again. And when you scroll down, you will be finding a section for archived orders. You can just go over and find that. You can always unarchive it if you want it within your order section. And that's it. If you want them gone from your suggestions, you can also look out for your account and list option at the top and select it. And select the option of personalization instead, if that option is available under account. And just go over and personalize your own account and even clear the items from your browsing history within your history if there's any kind of history available. And you can remove the unwanted applications from the recommendations. And that's how we can hide our Amazon order history on PC very safely and easily. So if this video helped you out, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.